Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of the Review Channel. Today we're going to talk about Facebook. Not just Facebook, because a lot of people know about Facebook, but Facebook Marketplace, which a lot of people do not know about. They've heard about, they're not sure how to use, they're not sure how to do it, they're not sure where it is and how to get there and so on. So this tutorial is just a quick, not so quick, but just to give you some information on how to do Facebook, how to do Facebook Marketplace. Of course, I've done different platforms to sell: Craigslist and Letgo and OfferUp and all of them. And as you know, Craigslist is a disaster. I mean, it's okay. Had a huge amount of inventory to move in the last few months and use all the platforms. And Facebook outpaced pretty much all of them 2-to-1. And that's really pretty good results, especially when it's people who are on Facebook are really like, I want it. Where can I meet you? And I've never stood up at all. I mean, everybody showed up, everybody paid what I said. A little negotiating here and there, sometimes online, but for the most part, everything was smooth. Unlike Craigslist, is like, oh, I'll give you a check and you send me the thing and someone pick it up. The same scam. It's like, it's annoying already. But I did have a few Craigslist people who did come through, and you can always tell. Here's my phone number. Give me a call. So those are the people who are real serious. So I mean, you should still use Craigslist, but it just doesn't have the same clout as it used to. Cars and things maybe so, but still. But for small items, you're looking for $50-$100 flips, or if you're selling some of your house items, I think Craigslist is okay. But we're here to talk about Facebook Marketplace, and a lot of people just don't know how to use it. So let's just do a quick tutorial on how simple it is to use. So you just go to your facebook.com page, right? You log into your account, and a lot of people don't notice these little widgets on the left here. A lot of them just go to the news feed and they just read it. Oh, cousin, this and that. Everybody pops up that you're friends with. But the marketplace is right here. It's a little tiny house, looks like a little store. So that's the marketplace. So you want to click on the marketplace. So that opens up into the marketplace section. Okay. So you'll see here people selling all types of stuff in your area. So you can actually control location. You can control distance. You can see how far you want to look, how close you want to look. So you have a lot of control if you're looking for things. You can also find things on Facebook that people just looking for quick cash on, and then resell them on eBay or back on Facebook again, because people just don't care, don't know, and just want some money and they have no idea. So if you're a professional seller, a flipper, entrepreneur, whatever, this is a great avenue, and do not discard this opportunity. This is really a good way to go. So if you want to sell something, you just click on simple, right? Sell something. That's not too difficult. I guess you can rent a home, right? Home for rent, items for sale, or a vehicle. So you can also sell cars. All right. So 90% of things we do is just items for sale. Pick a category, and we'll just pick any category. But you can pick a category that comes close to what you're selling, and that's how you kind of do it. So let's just call this appliances, whatever, and let's just call this it's just the toaster. $50, whatever. You put your location in, and whatever location you're in, you can change that. You can choose the Boston. I'm in the Boston area, so you can just do Boston, New York, things like that. You can just do whatever your location you're in. Okay, pick a photo, and you pick a photo from your photo library. Very simple. Let's see what I have. I don't know if I can just grab any image for you. Let's see. Let's just grab any kind of cool. Here's an alien toaster. Let's just call it that, okay? And you use your photos that you took a picture of, okay? And then you hit post. And it's that simple. I don't want to post this because it looks stupid, but so that's pretty much the gist of it. So it's very, very simple. We'll discard this. So you go to sell something, items for sale, pick a category, right? Add your price, put your location in, add your image, post. Also, if you want to put a little bit more of a description, it does help. If it's selling a box or selling something with dimensions, it's always helpful to put the dimensions in. I sold bookcases, refrigerators, microwaves, TV cards, you name it. Several hundred items I've sold, and a majority of them have sold on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not saying Craigslist isn't good, but this seems to be another really good tool to use. And I think as it evolves and gets better, I think it will be a huge issue, not a huge issue, but a big player in the market. I mean, something like if Facebook could work on like an Amazon model without FBA, of course, but they don't have the infrastructure for that. It could be huge. It could put a huge dent in their business. It could hurt a lot of people. It could hurt eBay. It could hurt a lot of people. But I think for what it is, It's a great tool. Use it. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you used it. Tell me how it's working for you. If you want me to review any other platform, let me know. Either Craigslist or Let's Go or OfferUp, which I don't really care. OfferUp and Let's Go, they were okay. Let Go was a constant like disaster, and OfferUp was okay. I mean, whatever. But really focusing on Facebook. Leave comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. It does help me out. Just keep the status. I do appreciate that. I do put a little bit of work into this, and I want you to be, get some education out of it and get some value. And I think it's important to, to learn from everybody. And this is how we all become better entrepreneurs. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please subscribe, like I said, to my channel. Hit the like button. That would really help me out a lot as well. And thanks again for watching. And you have a great day.